Hey everybody, this is Katie with Picture Perfect Lawn Maintenance. I wanted to make a quick video today just to touch base with you guys on what is going on with this crazy weather that we are continuing to have as we go into fall in the Richmond, Virginia area. Basically, things are a lot hotter than they normally are, and that is not an understatement or an overstatement, that is the facts. Usually, the average temperature at this point is the highs in the mid to high 70s and the lows in the upper 50s. Right now, for all of this first week of October and the forecast for next week of October, so this whole first half of October, they're calling for highs in the mid to upper 80s, even today in the low 90s, and lows still in the mid to high 60s. That's 5 to 10 degrees warmer than it usually is. So when we talk about seeding germination and everything else, that fescue seed really only wants to germinate when it's actually significantly cooler than that. Ideal air temperatures for germination of fescue seed is usually between 60 degrees and 75 degrees. Obviously, when we're talking about highs in the mid to upper 80s, we are way past that point. So a lot of properties are still seeing some of their seed sitting on the ground and not germinating yet. Unfortunately, for this weather that we're having this time of the year, this is normal. We are pretty much halfway through our aeration seeding services at this point. At this time, we're a little bit concerned that if we keep delaying any longer, we're going to go straight into winter and just kind of skip fall, and we'll miss the opportunity to seed and it'll be too cold. So we're trying to just make the best of a bad situation. I know a lot of people are not necessarily happy with what they're seeing so far and possibly losing some of their baby seed to really, really late season fungus. All of that is very abnormal, but unfortunately something that we're having to deal with. It's not just us, it's every other provider in the area, as we've seen from clients that we've done aeration seeding for that still fertilize with somebody else. And it's just one of those things where because the climate is changing so much, we're going to be seeing a lot less consistency when it comes to that ideal weather. If you have any questions about it, about how it affects your seed, how it affects your schedule for the service, anything else, feel free to reach out to us, comment below, contact our office. We're happy to answer your questions, but as of now, it is far from too late for aeration seeding. If anything, somehow it is still weirdly too early, so just kind of hang tight. We're trying to do the best we can to make sure that you're covered for the service, but not just left with seed that's going to sit for weeks and weeks.